Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to apply for Social Security retirement online. Applying for Social Security retirement benefits online is a straightforward and convenient process. The Social Security Administration SSA provides a step-by-step guide and online application to help retirees secure their benefits without visiting an office. And here is the detailed guide to completing your application in just a few steps. What are Social Security retirement benefits? Social Security retirement benefits provide a monthly income to eligible retirees. These benefits are based on your work history and the age at which you begin claiming benefits. You can start as early as age 62 or delay until age of 70. For maximum monthly payouts, the key is knowing your full retirement age. If born between 1943 to 1954 is 66. If born after 1960 is 67. The longer you wait up to age 70, the higher your monthly benefits due to delayed retirement credits. Step 1. Check your eligibility before applying. Ensure you meet these requirements, age requirements, at least 62 years old to apply for early benefits, for retirement age 66 to 67, or order for full benefits. Work credits you need 40 work credits, approximately 10 years of work to qualify for benefits. Citizenship or residency. You must be a US citizen or legal resident. Step 2. Gather required documents. Having your documents ready ensures a smoother application process. Social Security number SSN for identity verification, birth certificate, a certified copy or proof of birth, work history, details of employment, including company names and dates, bank account details, routing and account numbers for direct deposit of benefits. Marriage or divorce records, if applicable, needed for spousal or divorced spousal benefits. Military records, if applicable, required if you served in military. Step 3. Apply through visiting the Social Security official website. You just have to search for www.ssa.gov and log in using your credentials. And if you do not have an account, create one, and you will need your SSN and some basic personal information in order to register. Once you have signed in, you just have to apply for the application, and all these steps are easy and simple. Apply for retirement benefits under the retirement section, complete the form, provide personal details, your intended retirement start date, and your work history. Enter payment details input, add your bank account information for direct deposit, review, and submit. Double check all details before submitting your application, and you will receive a confirmation number to track your application step by step. For tracking your application status, once submitted, you can monitor your application's progress, processing time. Most applications are processed within 6 to 8 weeks. Check updates and log in into your Social Security account to view the status of the application. A notification of approval, you will receive a letter or email once your application is approved. Payments will begin based on your selected retirement date. Applying online is the most efficient way to secure Social Security retirement benefits. It's simple, user-friendly, and allows you to complete the process from the comfort of your home. And that's all of our today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.